You don't need to pay for ChatGPT. Not anymore. In 2026, the best AI tools are not only more powerful, many of them are completely free. I'm Yassine and welcome to True AI Guide. Today I'm showing you 5 free AI tools that can build websites, write code, organize your data, and even create videos for your business without spending a cent. Make sure you watch until the end, because it's the one developers are using to build real full-stack websites and software in record time. First, let's replace ChatGPT itself. Tool number 1 is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It's free to use, and for complex reasoning and writing, it's honestly ahead of the free version of ChatGPT. Watch this. I asked Claude to create a complete marketing strategy for my dental care business. Step 1, Claude asks what type of dental practice. After you hit enter, Claude doesn't just start generating, it pops up a smart follow-up widget asking what type of dental practice is this, with options like general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, orthodontics, and pediatric dentistry. You just pick the one that fits and it moves to the next question. Step 2. It asks about your target market. Then it asks, what is your target market? And this one's a multi-select, so you can check off multiple groups like families, seniors, young professionals, or children. Claude is basically interviewing you to make sure the strategy is 100% tailored to your business. Step 3. It asks about your marketing budget. Finally, it asks what is your approximate monthly marketing budget, with ranges from under $1,000 all the way to $7,000 plus. Once you select your range and hit submit, Claude takes all 3 answers and builds your complete custom strategy. And it doesn't just give me text. It opens this interactive artifact on the side where I can see a full marketing strategy for my dental care business. I can click, download and export it as a professional document. If you run a business, create content, or need strategic planning, Claude is like having a business consultant that doesn't cost you anything. Second tool is Google NotebookLM, and it's perfect for organizing information. You can upload PDFs, Google Docs, or web pages, up to dozens of files, and NotebookLM builds an AI model based only on your documents. Here I upload a dental clinic brochure, a list of treatments, and a pricing sheet. Now I can ask questions like, summarize all teeth whitening options in simple language, or create an FAQ for new dental patients. And this is the crazy part. With one click, it generates an audio overview, basically a mini podcast explaining your documents.
I have to admit, when I first saw the source material for today's deep dive, my initial reaction was to just run in the opposite direction.
Oh, absolutely. It's not exactly beach reading, is it?
No, it really
You can learn your own materials while you're walking or driving. Tool number 3 is where things get serious. This is Google Antigravity, one of the most powerful tools right now to build real, full-stack websites and software with AI. Before we actually start, make sure you have the software. If you haven't yet, click the button on the top right to download Google Antigravity app and install it on your computer. Step 1. Sign in. The very first thing you'll see is the agent panel saying authentication required. Click the Login with Google button in the top right. Your browser opens, confirms your Gmail account, you hit sign in. You're in. Step 2. Open your project folder. Click Open Folder in the center. Create a new empty folder on your machine. Name it something like Dental Booking App. Then open it in Antigravity. Everything the agent builds gets written directly into that folder. Your files, on your machine under your control. Step 3. Configure the agent. In the agent panel, set conversation mode to planning. This makes the agent think and strategize before it writes a single line of code, which is exactly what you want for a complex full-stack project. Then set the model to Claude Opus 4.6, Thinking, or Gemini 3.1 Pro High. Maximum reasoning, maximum quality. Step 4. Type your prompt. I type, create a full-stack appointment booking system for a dental care clinic with a patient intake form, a schedule calendar view, and an admin panel to manage appointments. Now here's where it gets interesting. Antigravity doesn't just start generating code immediately. First, it shows you tasks to follow and full implementation plan. The tech stack it shows, the complete file and folder architecture, the database schema, every API route, every front-end page, everything laid out before a single file is created. You review it. If it looks good, and this one looks great, you simply type Go Ahead to confirm and let it proceed. Step 5. Confirm package installation. As it starts building, Antigravity will ask you to confirm installing the required packages. Just approve it. It handles everything automatically. No manual npm installs, no configuration headaches. Then watch it work. File by file, component by component, the back end, the front end, the database, the routing, all scaffolded and written inside your project folder. Step 6. Run the project. Once it's done, open the terminal right inside Antigravity, already pointed at your project folder, and type node server/server.js. The server starts instantly and gives you everything you need. Server running at localhost port 3000. Admin panel at localhost port 3000/admin/login.html. Admin credentials. Login is admin and password is admin123. Step 7. See what was built. Let me show you what one prompt actually produced. The landing page. A professional dental clinic website called Bright Smile. Dark glass morphism design. Hero section. Services grid showing all treatments with pricing. A Why Choose Us section. Contact info and a live booking button. This is not a template. This was generated from scratch. The booking flow, a beautiful 5-step patient journey. Choose a service, pick a date and time, enter your info, fill in your medical history, then review and confirm. Clean, intuitive, fully functional. The schedule calendar, a month, week, and day view showing real appointments pulled from the database. Color-coded by status. Green for confirmed, yellow for pending, blue for completed, red for cancelled. The admin panel. A complete back-office system. The dashboard shows live stats, total appointments, today's schedule, pending reviews, total patients, and revenue. The appointments table lets you confirm, complete, or cancel bookings in one click. The patients section shows every registered patient with their insurance info and full history. And the services manager lets you add, edit, enable, or disable any treatment with pricing, duration, and category. All from a clean UI. All of this from a single sentence prompt. That's the power of Antigravity. It doesn't just generate code. It thinks, plans, and builds production-ready software. And if you want to know how to take this from localhost to a live website that anyone in the world can visit, drop a comment below. Enough requests and I'll make a full deployment video walking through every step. If you're serious about building real products with AI, this is a tool you need to learn. Tool number 4, Google AI Studio. And it's one of the best choices right now if you want a quick landing page or website with beautiful design. Here I type, create a modern landing page for a local dental care clinic called Smile Care Dental. Include a large hero section, list of services, patient testimonials, and a book appointment button. You can customize the text, colors, and images in seconds. If you're a freelancer, agency owner, or small business, this is perfect for spinning up professional-looking sites without hiring a designer. Quick tip: replace the image in the hero section with this image. Then paste the image link. You can swap any image on the website with your own clinic photos, or grab free professional images from pexels.com, or any website that provide free images to use. And finally, tool number 5 brings everything to life with video. This is Grok, the AI platform from X, formerly Twitter. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is completely free and takes less than a minute at Grok.com. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar. Click on Imagine. This is where the magic happens. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the prompt input bar. Now, by default, it's set to generate images. But we want video. Click the toggle on the right side of the prompt bar and switch it from image to video. Now choose which aspect ratio. Use 9:16 for Instagram Reels and TikTok, and 16:9 for YouTube and websites. Now prompt. I type, a short promotional video for a dental care clinic. Smiling patients, modern clean interior, bright professional lighting. Text overlay, book your checkup today. Grok generates a ready-to-use video clip you can post on Instagram, embed directly on your website, or use as B-roll in your YouTube videos. No camera, no crew, no editing software, just a prompt and a professional-looking video in seconds. These 5 free AI tools can pretty much run a modern online business, from research and content to full-stack apps, beautiful websites, and video. On this channel, I'll be going deeper into each of these tools, building real projects step by step. If you want a full detailed video on any specific tool I showed today, tell me the tool's name in the comments and I'll make a complete tutorial for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to True AI Guide and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next videos on using AI to build real businesses and real software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.